Hey y'all, I'm Dixie, and I'm here to teach you about the letter U. Let's get started. This is the letter U. Why don't we learn the sound the letter U makes? The letter U actually makes more than one sound, but today we're going to learn about the short U sound. To make the short U sound, your mouth will open while you keep your tongue relaxed and set low in your mouth, like this. Uh. Can you give it a go? Come on, you can do it. Wonderful. Now let's look at some words that start with the short U sound. Umbrella, umpire, under, upside down, underground. Those words all start with the short U sound. Can you please say those words with me this time? Umbrella, umpire, under, upside down, underground. Wonderful! I do believe it's now time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word, and you get to tell me if that word starts with the short U sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word underwear, underwear, and then ask you if it starts with the short U sound, you would say, yes sirree, it sure does. But if I were to say the word pie, pie, and then ask you if it starts with the short U sound, you would say, nope, pie does not start with the short U sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Turtle. Does turtle start with the short U sound? No sirree, turtle does not start with the short U sound. Here's your second word. Umbrella. Does umbrella start with the short U sound? Yes, umbrella does start with the short U sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Under. Does under start with the short U sound? Yes sirree, under does start with the short U sound. Wonderful job, guys! Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the short U sound. See y'all later!